Have you been looking for a ranch-style new construction home in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? Today, we're going to take a tour of the Burton Floorplan by Liberty Communities right here in Ravencrest subdivision in Roebuck, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson, Roebuck, Simpsonville, and all the towns and cities in between. The Burton is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, ranch-style home with a 2-car garage. It's 1,651 square feet. Everything that you're about to see in this home comes standard in the base price of this home. The base price is $285,990. This particular one is listed for $287,990. The only thing that's added is a $2,000 lot premium. And everything that you're about to see comes standard, including a prewire for a charging station for a smart car. It does have 2-inch blinds throughout, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, comfort height sink vanities. We're gonna go inside and take a look at this home. Now, the builder is also offering up to $20,000 in flex cash that you can use to buy down your interest rate or to help pay your closing costs. If you're building this home from scratch, you can use it to add some additional upgrades to the home if you wanted to add some additional upgrades. Now, the way this house comes, it comes loaded with a whole bunch of upgrades already. So the $20,000 will really help to lower your interest rate rather than using it to add any additional upgrades, because this one already has loads of upgrades in it. So we're gonna go check it out. If you like these videos, please feel free to like and subscribe so you can be notified when we post a new video. Let's check it out. All right, so it's a brand new community. So the builder is, they're just starting to build in here. There are going to be about 196 lots in this community. Pretty long driveway here, so you can park, 2 in the garage and maybe 4 outside. Okay, you got the glass doors here, so you let in lots of natural light. Nice, spacious foyer. You got a couple of bedrooms over here. Good sized bedrooms. Look at the size of this bedroom. It's a good sized secondary bedroom. In the bathroom, you got the double sinks here, comfort height, sink vanity, upgraded fixtures. Tub shower, rain head, shower head. You got the bidet, toilet seat. And another bedroom here. Good sized bedroom as well. Just check out this closet. Just a normal size closet, just like the other one. Right here is the garage. Water heater in the garage. It does come pre-wired for the garage door opener. You got the pull-down attic stairs there. And let's go in here and just check out this little space over here. Okay. We'll come back in and we're gonna see the laundry room here. Okay, we'll go in here and we're gonna open up into the kitchen area with an island. And nice walk-in pantry here. Definitely big enough to do some serious grocery shopping. And granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Plenty of cabinet space here. And it does have a cup wash station here. So you can wash your cups. Single bowl sink. You have the dining area here. You do have the electric fireplace, and that changes color, so you can change the ambiance in the room. Good size patio. If you built this from scratch, you can, choose to add a cover to your patio if you wanted to. The 2-inch blinds do come standard. Get into the owner's suite here. Good size room. And the ceiling fans are standard as well. Another counter height bathroom vanity. And it does have these LED lights in the mirror. Check those out. So LED lights in the mirror. Tile flooring in the bathroom here. And your bidet toilet. The bidet toilet does have lights in it as well. Got the nice tub here. Towel shower, red head, shower head. You got the body spray as well. You know, the extension there. And it does have the bench seat in it, and that's standard in these houses. Like I said, everything in this home is standard. Like I said, the builder is offering up to $20,000 in flex cash right now that you can use to buy down your interest rate or help pay your closing costs. If you built this home from scratch, you can use that $20,000 to maybe add a covered patio or any additional options that you're interested in. If you are interested in this home but not interested in this particular community, Liberty Communities does have 9 communities here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. So if you're interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.